Hi, this is Habib, MBBS, MS, famous cardiologist. Today I am going to explain about the structure and function of the human heart. Are you with me? Yes, let us go. Heart is very important organ in circulatory system. The human heart is located in thorax cavity in between the two lungs. Heart is protected with the rib cage and the pericardial membrane. The size of your heart is approximately the size of your fist. The heart is a pear-shaped organ, triangular organ. The upper end is wider than the lower end is narrow in shape. Heart has four chambers. The upper two chambers are called atrium or auricles. The lower two chambers are called ventricles. The auricles and ventricles are divided with the help of the muscular organ that is septum. Human heart consists of four valves. In that, first one present between the right atrium to right ventricle, that is tricuspid valve. The second one located between the left atrium to left ventricle, that is the mitral valve or bicuspid valve. Third one located between the right ventricle to the pulmonary artery, that is the pulmonary valve. The fourth one located between that left ventricle to aorta, that is the aortic valve. Now we are going to discuss about the blood circulatory system in human beings. At first, the superior vena cava collect the deoxygenated from the upper parts of the heart and opens into right atrium. The inferior vena cava collect the deoxygenated blood from the lower parts of the heart and that also open into right atrium. That deoxygenated blood flow from right atrium to right ventricle through tricuspid valve. The deoxygenated blood for purification that has to travel to lungs through that pulmonary artery, through that the pulmonary valve. After purification of the blood in lungs, now that is again reached to our heart through that pulmonary veins and the reach to left atria. From left atrium to, that is travel through that left ventricle, so that the mitral valve or bicuspid valve. From here to, that is travel all parts of our body to aorta. Now between it has a aortic valve. Through the aorta the blood circulates all parts of our body. Aorta divided into many blood vessels. The blood vessels are divided into blood capillaries. With the help of these capillaries, the blood reaches to all parts of our body.